All right, welcome back everybody. The purpose of this video is to simply show you the first 5 or 6 problems from the day 8 assignment, just to make sure that you know how to work through them. All right, so let's click on the first one. This says a review of rate of change. So in this question, you are given an equation in ax plus by equals c form, standard form. You need to convert this equation to y equals mx plus b to determine what the slope is, or the rate of change. And then you can compare it to the equation given, the graph given, and the table given. This is a review question. You've seen it before. And then you're going to select which one of these answers have the same rate of change as the given original equation. All right, now the next problem. This is a review of exponent laws. All right, so this expression, you're multiplying x to the 6th times y to the negative 4th times x to the negative 5th y squared. It's equivalent to x to the m, y to the n. Remember our exponent rules. When you multiply like bases with exponents, you add the exponents. So if you're trying to find what n is, then you're going to add the y to the negative 4th and the y squared to figure out what y to the n is. You're going to combine those two exponents. All right, next problem. It's a review of exponent laws. So the expression xy to the negative 8 all raised to the 3rd is equivalent to x to the m divided by y to the n. What is the value of n? Again, and you're trying to find the value of n. So you are going to simplify this expression to determine your answer. All right, to determine which part it's asking for, which is the n. What is the value of n? All right. And then we have some review problems about adding polynomials. All right, this is just two polynomials separated in parentheses, 8x plus 5 plus negative x squared minus 8. So you have some like terms, just the constants here. Go ahead and submit your answer in standard form, where we start with the highest exponent first and work our way down. All right, subtracting polynomials, same things here. You have a polynomial or a trinomial here, 6x squared plus 7x plus 2 in parentheses minus. Remember that this minus sign goes with everything inside the parentheses, so that's going to be minus a negative 9x squared and minus a negative 10. All right, when we minus a negative, we add. So combine all those like terms and you have your final answer. All right, and then we have this problem here where we are rewriting the following polynomial in standard form. Again, we are going to put our exponents in descending order, and then we have our final constant. Okay, so put that in standard form. And then this last one here, it's more adding and subtracting polynomials. It's everything all run together. Simplify the polynomial expression 5x squared plus 6x minus 7x squared plus 3 minus, and then parentheses 8x plus 4. So you're basically just simplifying by combining all the like terms that you have. Make sure to put your answer into standard form. That's ax squared plus bx plus c. We put our exponents in descending order. Squared, 1, and then a constant. All right, and that should help you out with the first 6 or 7 problems.